Oh, stop it.
I'm doing it. Let's go.
Alright guys, we're here. We just came back from Publix. We got two types of smoothie. We're gonna make a vegetable smoothie and a fruit smoothie. So for the vegetable smoothie, we're gonna start out with some, we're gonna make some pineapple juice.
Vegetable smoothie with pineapples, right?
And we got apples to make some apple juice. And then we'll put some kale in here. Kale.
Hey Jared, we got 20 minutes until the client comes.
Alright guys, so for our next smoothie, we got a fruit smoothie. Okay, so we're gonna make some juice out of these oranges. and then we're gonna make some bananas, y'all.
Alright, let's go. Put it, do it. The vitamins over here.
Okay.
So let's see what
happens. So we're gonna start out with some. Okay.
Did you sanitize your hands?
I wash my hands.
These are for clients, bro.
I wash them.
The value can you take from continuing? If you're watching this and it's been 3 minutes so far, and you're like, should I keep watching this video? What do you have to say? Alright, we're putting. Alright, maybe we should like run the thing to see if it blends.
Will it blend?
Or will it Vitamix? We're not sponsored. Jake.
So let's start the blender.
Alright, so Jake doesn't actually know how to do it. So yeah, you want to close it up, bro?
First, we gotta put the lid on it so it doesn't get into the ceiling.
We should have not done that. you don't know. It's a...
Oh, there we go.
It doesn't work, dude.
You gotta get a thing. Where's that thing? Oh, got it.
Okay, guys. That's just pretty smooth.
That's pretty good. Make sure you use a straw.
Alright guys, really hot here in Augusta, but today is the first day that we got my boy, Stephen Kim, working out with me and Jarek. He's been vlogging. Steve, what do you gotta say? This is the first day of the workout. What do you gotta say for the camera, bro?
I'm ready. I'm ready for a life-changing experience.
Let's go.
Let's go.
It's time.
The house of Swology.
The house of swole. Let's go, baby. Alright, so if you guys don't know, me and my buddy Jarek, he has a really sick setup. Anyways, we're gonna go there, we're gonna transport. Instant transmission, here we go. What's going on now?
Let's go.
We need motivation, what's happening?
We're gonna get some planks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26, come on, 27.
Come on, let's go. What did you do before?
Made it.
What was the first time you did it?
25.
Alright, now 27. Come on, Steve.
Come on.
It's part of the process, step by step, baby. You meant the process, what's happening? He just got 30.
So he started with 25 seconds on a plank.
Yeah.
Okay? He thought he couldn't make it. Then he did another, and he got 27 seconds. Then he did a third round, made it in 30 seconds.
Before this, Steve, how many crunches could you do?
I couldn't even do one.
Now you just did, how many did you just do right
I
there?
did like 5, 6.
Let's go!
Let's go,
The
bro.
mind achieves what the
Get
body
motivated.
believes.
Get determined.
Let's go!
Come on, you gotta commit. You gotta make a decision. Let's
Steve,
go.
decision. The mind achieves what the body believes.
Come on, come on! What a G.
Gear 6, man. Time to shift gears.
I'm going next level, Jared.
Yeah. Oh, woo. Next level, yo. Dude, look at this guy. Look at him. Come on, 10 seconds. 10 seconds. You gonna give up in the last round? No. No.
Come on, you're up next. You guys will live forever.
Come on, Rico's up next, man. are up next? Yeah. 10 seconds. Let's go. Oh, you got 10 seconds. Let's go. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, so we're waiting on Jarek to get back here, and I just wanted to record more because I haven't really done a vlog. I just did a live stream today. Got a potential client, at least he messaged me on my Facebook ads. So something I would say is, like, when you got the right attitude in place and you're just sharing content, like, the worst that could happen is, I don't even know what the worst that could happen is you have to tap into that idea that you're really wanting to learn and study so that you could, I guess if you think about it, like, if I am to transfer this idea of what I'm doing now versus when I wanted to be a doctor, it was this idea that, you know, the stuff that I apply myself to could really have an impact on people in terms of, like, you know, I could help them become healthy and fit. And as I've learned more things, right, because my mom was a doctor and that's what she pushed on to me to be, like, as I grew up, I'm like, okay, so how can I take that same element, the same stuff that I, you know, was my driving factor, and now I've added on more things. So one being, I've learned technology, I've learned how to scale some things, learned how to scale helping people. Two, I've added on, like, you know, entertainment and, you know, just laughter and stuff like that. And then three, it's like, you know, all these other skills, like making this content, recording this content, not being nervous saying it, and then taking the time to edit it, process it, post it online. You know, I really think that digital marketing can have a big impact in either your own business or your life, as you could help people. Like, in my standpoint, you know, yes, I market myself as a brand, but I also help these basketball trainers help the kids, right? Or, you know, for the Kings Anaheim MMA, we had a brainstorming session how they use their martial arts classes to teach kids discipline. So once you start getting locked in on that, you could really, I think it will only happen to you as it presents itself, as you start realizing, you know, what can you do with this knowledge and information you have. So, I mean, I'm not saying, like, that's something you could think about who you want to target. The thing about not having a vlog, Sony a6000, I'll never know if I'm in the shot or not. But yeah, really focus on, like, who can you help with what you're learning. I try to focus on, look, I don't have the reach to help, you know, thousands of people, but if I could connect with one gym owner and that gym owner has, you know, 200 clients, and I can make him get more clients, but also, you know, there's things that happen as you help them streamline their business processes. They could spend more time investing in equipment, could help those, you know, 200 clients get a more effective workout, and at the end of the day be healthier, right? At the end of the day, that's kind of what I try to focus on. Or, you know, when I've connected with basketball trainers, I'm like, yo, you know, I mean, some of the concepts I've learned from lacrosse, transferring it, is like, those kids or these trainers I connect with, they must, some part of it they must transfer some of these skill sets or mindsets to the kids they're training, like learning work ethic and stuff like that. So that's what I tend to focus on. That's something you learn in digital marketing and get you through if you're in a rut, or you're like, man, like, you know, to give you some extra motivation on to try different things, is just really focus on the value add that you're adding to society. And even though, you know, I'm not the trainer and I'm not the one doing it, there's still a part and a role I'm playing that is my role that I have to play, right? I don't have the best physical health. I didn't grow up playing basketball or grow up, you know, super fitness, but there is aspects of me learning technology and learning business and have an affinity to want to do, like, videos like this, that I hope whoever's watching this, you know, if you're thinking about being a digital marketer, or you're thinking about, you know, you don't even have to be the front end, just be able to explain some of the concepts so you can teach them, you know, the business owner, how to set up their business. That's the most important part. I stress that to you. One of the best things you guys could do for your business is to be of service to others. So once you start implementing, like, a digital lifestyle or laptop, you realize that you can do work from anywhere. So yeah, I could do work from here, I could do work from the road, I could do work at Jarek's place, I could do work at home. Yeah, all you need is a camera and some energy, and all right, we're going. We're ending the stream. Peace.